Krusito Nasti Durpiksham. Welcome children. Today let us study about exponents and powers. Do you know children? Mass of earth is about this much kgs. We have already learned in earlier classes how to write such large numbers more conveniently using exponents. Children, you know how to write this such a large number? Here 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 23 zeros are there. So I can write as 597 into 10 to the power of 23 kg. To read such a large numbers more conveniently, we introduced the new concept, that is exponents and powers. So let us write this in standard form. A decimal point is always lies between ones and tens. So it will become 5.97 into 10 to the power of 2 into 10 to the power of 23 kgs. So 5.97 into 10 to the power of 25 kg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 3 is 21 plus 1, 22 children. This is 22 kgs. So 22 plus 2, which is become 24 kg, right? So 5.97 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. Children, so this is what we have, 10 raised to the power 24. How to write children? 10 raised to the power 24. In 10 raised to the power 24, this 10 is called base children, and this 24 is called power, or also we can call it as exponent, or also we can call it as index children. Okay, for example, in 2 power 5, what is the meaning of 2 power 5? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is multiplied by itself 5 times, right? So in 2 raised to the power 5, here 2 is called base and this 5 is called exponent or power, or we call it as index. Okay children, can you say me how to read this? 5 raised to the power 2. Of course, how to read 5 raised to the power 2. What is the meaning of 5 raised to the power 2? 5 into 5, right? Students, we can also read it as 5 raised to the power 2 as 5 squared. How to read? 5 squared. Similarly, 4 raised to the power 3. 4 raised to the power 3. I can 4 raised to the power 3. What is the meaning of 4 raised to the power 3 children? 4 into 4 into 4. 4 is multiplied by itself 3 times. Okay. 4 raised to the power 3. We have also a special name, that is called, we can also call it as 4 cubed. For 2 and 3 we have special names. For 2 we call it as squared. For 3 we call it as cubed. Got it children? Yes. In 4 raised to the power 3, 4 cube, 4 is called base and 3 is called power. In 5 raised to the power 2, in 5 square, 5 is called base and 2 is called exponent. Okay children? So let us study now some laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. So the first law of exponent is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Children, what is the first law? A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Right? In a power m, a is called base and m is called power. Into in a power n, a is called base and n is called power. If you observe, children, here bases are equal. We are multiplying, right? When bases are equal, power should be added. I mean a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. I mean we are adding whose powers, children? For example, 2 power 5 into 2 power 4, children. As if you observe here the base is 2, power is 5. Here base is 2, power is 4. As bases are equal, power should be added. I mean 2 power 5 plus 4. So that is 2 power 5 plus 4, that is equal to 9, children. Okay. For example, 5 power 4 into 5 power minus 3, children. 5 power 4 into 5 power minus 3. See, as in 5 power 4, 5 is called base and 4 is called exponent. In 5 power minus 3, 5 is called base and minus 3 is called exponent. As bases are equal here, when bases are equal, power should be added, children. I mean 5 power 4 plus minus 3, children. Right? So 5 power 4 plus into minus 3. So 5 power 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. 5 power 1 in the sense how much, children? That is 5. So when bases are equal, power should be added when we are multiplying. Remember, children, this point. When bases are equal, power should be added when we are multiplying. Okay. Now coming to second law of exponent, that is a power m divided by a power n. What is the second law of exponent? A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. What is the second law of exponent, children? A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. For suppose 7 power 5 divided by 7 power 2. See, children, here in 7 power 5, 7 is called base. In 7 power 2, 7 is called base. As bases are equal, when bases are equal, power should be subtracted. Why? Because we are dividing here. Okay, children? I mean 7 power 5 minus 2, children. That is 7 power 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. Got it my point? So here, when bases are equal, power should be subtracted. Power should be subtracted when we are dividing. So this is our first point and this is our second point. Okay. So the second formula is what, children? A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. One more example. 6 power 9 divided by 6 power 4. See, as bases are equal, 6 and 6. So what to do, children? Power should be subtracted. 6 power 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4, that is equal to 5, children. Okay, this is our second law of exponent. Now coming to third law of exponent. What is our third law of exponent? A power m whole to the power n is equal to a power m into n. What is our third law of exponent, children? A power m whole to the power n is equal to a power m into n. For example, children, 2 power 3 whole to the power 5. If you observe this, which is in the form of a power m whole power n. What is the formula of a power m whole power n? That is equal to a power m into n. I mean 2 power 3 into 5. Yes, children, that is 2 power 3 into 5. 3 5 are 15. So the answer is 2 raised to the power 15. For example, 4 power 3 whole to the power 2. Again, which is in the form of a power m whole to the power n. I mean a power m into n. 3 into 2. 4 power 3 into 2. 3 2 is 6. Students, you understood what is the third law of exponent? That is a power m into a power n, which is equal to a power m into n. Now coming to fourth law of exponent, a power m into b power m is equal to ab whole to the power m. Once if you observe here, children, as here powers are equal, in law of exponent 1, as bases are equal, powers should be added. Whereas in this case, as powers are equal, then what we have to do? Bases should be multiplied, right? A power m into b power m is equal to ab whole to the power m. ab whole to the power m, right? So, for example, children, 2 power 5 into 3 power 5. 2 power 5 into 3 power 5. That is, as powers are equal, what we have to do? Bases should be multiplied. 2 into 3 whole to the power 5. I mean 2 into 3, 2 3 is 5, that is 6 power 5. One more example. For example, 4 power 9 into 5 power 9. Students, as powers are equal, so bases should be multiplied. I mean 4 into 5 whole to the power 9. So 4 5 is 20 to the power 9. So that is our fourth law of exponent. A power m into b power m is equal to ab whole to the power m. Now coming to fifth law of exponent, a power m by b power m is equal to a by b whole to the power m. Children, what is the fifth law of exponent? A power m by b power m is equal to a by b whole to the power m. Right? So for example, children, 4 power 5 divided by 3 power 5. If you observe this, which is in the form of a power m by a power n, b power m, I can write as a by b whole to the power m. Right? When powers are equal, bases should be divided. I mean 4 by 3 whole to the power 5. For example, 12 power 6 divided by 4 power 6. So as powers are equal, bases should be divided. I mean 12 by 4 whole to the power 6. I mean 4 table, 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja, that is 3 by 1 whole to the power 6. 3 by 1 in the sense 3 only, that is 3 raised to the power 6. So that is our fifth law of exponent. A power m by b power m is equal to a by b whole to the power m. Now coming to sixth law of exponent, a power minus n we can write as 1 by a to the power n. Negative law of exponent we can also call it as. Children, which is important, a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power plus n. For example, 2 power minus 5. How can we write as 2 power minus 5 children? We can write as 1 by 2 power plus 5 children. If you observe here, 2 power minus 5, which is in numerator. What we did? We wrote it as 1 by 2 power plus 5. Right? For example, a power minus 3. How can we write as a power minus 3? I can write as 1 by a cube. For example, n power minus 2. How can I write as n power minus 2? I can write as 1 by n square. So it will become plus children when we write in denominator. So this is the most important and widely used exponent, a power minus n, which is equal to 1 by a to the power n. Now coming to one more law of exponent, that is anything raised to the power 0 is equal to 1 children. Anything raised to the power 0. For example, 1 power 0. 1 power 0, 1 only children. For example, 100 power 0, 1 only children. For example, 2021 power 0, 1 only children. For example, m power 0, anything raised to the power 0, that is 1. If the power is 0, result is 1. Okay, these are the laws of exponent, children. Okay, sometimes they may ask like this, children. For example, 3 by 5 whole to the power minus 3. Okay, if it is 3 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3, how can we write as 3 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3? We can write as, children, 5 by 3 whole to the power plus 3 children. Okay, so actually here in power minus 3 is there when the numerator is 3 and denominator is 5. Now it becomes plus 3 when here denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. So 3 by 5 whole to the power minus 3 we can write as 5 by 3 whole to the power of plus 3 children. When we are solving the numericals, it will be very useful. So in this class we have discussed the most important and widely used laws of exponents. The first law of exponent is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Second law of exponent is a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. And the third law of exponent is a power m whole to the power n is equal to a power m into n. Fourth law of exponent is a power m into b power m is equal to ab whole to the power m. And the fifth law of exponent is a power m by b power m is equal to a by b whole to the power m. And the sixth law of exponent is a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. And the sixth law of exponent is anything raised to the power 0 is equal to 1 children. Okay, once if you solve several numericals based on these laws of exponent, you will get the lot of knowledge based on exponents and power. Children, if you like my way of teaching, you please subscribe my channel, do like and share to your friends. Thank you.